Okay, now that you know how to find the chords in a key, now that you understand function, the three different functions and the Roman numerals that are in each of those functions or that create each of those feelings, we're going to write a 4-bar functional progression. I'm going to write a few of them, but I'll show you how to do it. So in the first bar, first thing you want to do is write your function down. So the first bar is going to be a tonic function. Put it in parentheses. The next bar is going to be a subdominant function. Put it in parentheses. The third bar is going to be a dominant function. Put it in parentheses. The fourth bar is going to be a tonic function. Put it in parentheses. We know that tonic function belongs to 1, 3, or 6. So those are my choices for that bar. We know that subdominant function belongs to 2 or 4 in a key. We know that dominant function belongs to 5 or 7. And then tonic, as we said before, belongs to 1, 3, or 6. So these are my options for each bar. Now in this particular video, or for this particular exercise, I only want you writing 1 chord per bar. We'll talk about strategies for writing more than 1 chord in a bar 2 videos down the road. So I can choose. What do I want to start with? I'll just start with a 1. Why not? Then I can move to subdominant, okay, in the second bar. So I can choose a 2 or a 4. I'm going to choose a 2. Could have chosen a 4. It's fine, totally arbitrary, as long as it's a 2 or a 4. My dominant, I'm going to choose a 5. And then for my tonic at the end, I'll choose a 6. Okay, I'm just deciding. Okay, I wrote these in for your benefit. I don't want to see these on your paper. So if you write them in there to help you, it's great, that's awesome. Make sure that you erase them. Okay? I just wrote them in so that you can see them and see what my thought process is. This is what I want it to look like. So, function first, then you write in your Roman numerals. Okay? And next we're going to write in chord symbols. So you can see that I have a key signature here, or no key signature here, and therefore I'm in the key of C. It could be A minor, but we're doing the key of C because this is all going to be in major. So my tonic, my number 1 in the key of C, is C maj. And you can refer to your key sheet that you've filled out for this. My 2 chord is a D minor. My 5 chord is a G major, and my 6 chord is an A minor. So there is my tune. And I'll just play it quickly for you so you can hear it, or you can play it on your instrument. We have C major. Okay, there's our progression. It's fine, right? Sounds fine. Okay, so that's functional progression, 4-bar functional progression. That doesn't mean that every song follows a functional progression. In fact, many don't, but you've got to understand function in order to be able to create expectation. So we start here. In the next video, we'll go into some other strategies, and then eventually we'll start moving to more than 1 chord in a bar.